What's going on, BlackChiney fam? It's your boy BlackChiney bringing y'all another update video for the second week of January. These are the plays that I got in earlier during the week, and I'm about to show you guys how I'm doing, and I'm about to give y'all some plays for tomorrow that I think that's gonna be doing very well. The market's been selling off, been crashing, whatever you want to call it, but there's been a lot of pain today. So let's get into some of the plays that I was in. The Baba call that I've been in that was down $200 that I've been trying to get out of. We'll take a look at what happened there. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so let's pull up the Discord real fast. So Baba call, the Baba call that I was in cost $485, and as y'all can tell at the beginning of the week, it was down $200 plus, right? So Baba finally ran up, and I was able to sell. 2 days ago, I think it was Tuesday, I was able to sell the Baba call because it ran up. Thank God, it did what I thought it was gonna do, but it did it a lot later than I thought it was gonna do. So it ran up. I was able to actually make a profit. I made $55 on that trade. So we ended up green, thankfully, in that play. But we also tried to get a date trade in, and I bought a Square, a Block, whatever they changed their name to, call option, and it was $282, and then I lost on it. I lost like $84 on it. So we are down for the week right now, about 30 something dollars or something like that. But we got into another play. We got into a Lucid put. And now, as I was telling you guys, the lockup is on the 19th, so I expect the downward pressure off this stock to be going down for the next couple days. I'm not trying to hold it until the lockup. I'm probably gonna take my profits as soon as I see it hit a level that I feel like I need to take my profits and get out. I can always get back in if I really wanted to. But right now, it's up 28%, so I'm $118, and that number is gonna change because in the pre-market, it also went down. It ended at 41 something, and now it's at 40.60. So it's gonna be up more tomorrow. Let's see, Lucid. It's down in the aftermarket two more percent. So that number will also be a lot bigger. Hopefully, come when the market opens. Also, let's see. This other call that I've been in since last November or something like that. It's my Neo call. We were trying to play Neo Day, and man, we're losing on this one. Right now, I'm down $300 on this one. I do have 12 contracts of it right now, so if I do get a good pop up, I'm gonna sell and take my losses. So I'm looking probably a $300 plus loss on this one. This was the first call. This was the first option call I ever bought. All right, so I got married to it. You don't ever get married to your plays. All right, boys and girls, don't ever get married to your plays. It expires next week, Friday. And, I was trying to, one of the things when you're new, you try to hold and try to, it's going to go back up. It's going to go back up. You know what I mean? It don't look like it. Neo crashed today as well. It was down, almost 5%. Well, 3.79% today, so not looking too great. But those are the plays. If I do sell the Lucid, actually, let's see. We got into the Webull. We got into a right here, JP Morgan call. Their earnings is tomorrow. When I jumped in, it did go up a little bit already, but because the market, all of it, so much down pressure on it because of what the Fed, the Fed came out and talking about three interest rate hikes and crap like that. So a lot of down pressure on the market. So I expect it to go up just a little bit. I don't expect it to pop like TS What's that stock did today? They had earnings. TSN had earnings today, and as you can tell, it popped up. I don't expect that big a jump just because of the way the market is right now. Some of the big stocks are down a lot. Nvidia was down. It was down a lot today. Where the hell do you find this on Webull? See, Robinhood's interface is so much better than most. It's crazy. Like, you literally go click on the stock, and it was 5% down today. See, I tell you, 5% down. So a lot of stuff's beat down today. Let's get into some plays that right now my money is tied up in JP Morgan, and that Lucid call right here. This Lucid put that I was in, that I shared, I think Monday. I was in it from last week, but on Monday this was down $200. Now it's only down 95. So I'm hoping it expires tomorrow. So I'm hoping it tanks some more so I can get out of it. Hey, I'm brand new to this. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't follow what I'm doing. This is just for documentation, entertainment purposes only. Y'all want to see people lose money? You probably like that. But this is just me learning the game, and I'm excited learning the game. All right, but here are some stocks that, if I had the capital, I'll probably look into this tomorrow. Just because there's a lot of downward pressure. It's put season, baby. You can make money on your way up, and you can make money on the way down. So Square, if I can show y'all something, I wanted to jump in a put for Square. I think I added it yesterday, but because I had the Lucid, I'm not really too good with the technicals. So with Lucid, because of the news, the lockup news that's coming up, I had more resolve on that one, knowing it probably will drop more. I don't think it will drop a lot, just because the company that's coming off the lockup has 63% Lucid shares, and they have control of it. So I don't think they'll give up control. They'll probably sell some, but I don't think they'll sell enough where it'll impact too much. But I think it will go down, just not as big as a lot of people are saying. But check this out, man. If I had gotten into the Square put instead of the Lucid, I'd be up almost $600 right now. The 12th, I added it yesterday. When I was looking at it, just to show y'all. All right, and then because of the earnings report, I was already in the Lucid put already. So all my money, as you can tell, I have a buying power of $2. All my money was in Lucid, and I'm still tied up in the Neo. So if I was gonna play the earnings. I'm just learning. Play the earnings on this one. This one was up damn near $500 today too. Just so you know, TSM. And then the Affirm, this one was up a lot too. See, like, it's put season, boys. It's put season, boys and girls. So if y'all, market is crashing, time to get in some puts if you are able to. So let's check out some of the plays that I'm looking for tomorrow. I'm gonna add them to the watch list. Disney, there's a big support right now at that 155 level. If it's able to break under that 155, just know it's gonna go down some more. So Disney is a good one to be looking into. I can see the black stuff right there on my thing. Let's see if we can get rid of that. Yep, there we go. And the other one again is Square. Like, it's on a down. It's going down, and if it breaks past this, it's probably going down to like the 120 area. So look for put season. Look for the put season. See, this is what the Square put that I put in the watch list yesterday. This is what I saw. I saw it going up, and then all of a sudden, it just, what do they call this? A bearish pennant, I think they call it, or something like that. I don't remember what they call it. But it was going in this channel, and then all of a sudden it just broke down, and it broke down. And then it's basically the same thing going on right here. If it break down right here, I mean, it's on a downtrend right now, and if it breaks down, it's gonna go down. So puts on Square tomorrow, that's looking pretty good. And again, I'm trying to learn the charts, and this is what I'll be doing. This is what I'm looking at. So this is just my opinion. So please do not do what I'm doing. Also right here, this is actually a good bearish pennant right here, where resistance, support, and then if it breaks down right here, which it's probably going to, just because of the down pressure, it's gonna put season, baby, put season. So if y'all enjoyed this, let's see my Robinhood real fast. Last week it was at 740 something. Right now it's at 914, so a couple hundred in the rise. I did buy VTI. I bought $20 of VTI, I bought $20 of Microsoft. Every time I make a little profit on my trades, I buy something. I don't just use all my profits and go back into options trades and whatever. I buy a stock, or I buy a fractional share of a stock. So if I do lose everything, you're never gonna win them all. If I do lose everything, like in the options, I do have something that I have that I can hold forever, and I won't be starting back from scratch. So this is the way I'm doing it. This is the journey that I'm on. 2022, I want to be able to show y'all like 10 grand in this account. Come the end of the year, at least 10 grand. I want to be able to show y'all that it's invested into this account. On the Webull account, I've only deposited $100 in there. I got a free Apple share, which I sold, and all the 6 free stocks you get from Webull, I sold all of that, and that's what I'm using to options trade on Webull. So I'm really only invested $100 in Webull, and it fluctuates a lot. My positions, I do have, my mom did buy a share of Tesla, a full share, when it was under 1,000, and then she bought 3 shares of Apple. So those are hers right here. What you see, I have 1 share, a full share of Apple for myself, but then my mom has 3, and then everything else I've been buying. Every time I make some profit, I buy something, some kind of stock. All right. Make sure you check out the links in the description for my Webull, my Robinhood, my BlockFi, my Coinbase, everything that I use. I am averaging into Ethereum every week. I'm investing $100 in, not every week, every month. I'm investing $100 in Ethereum, and every week I'm investing $100 in my core position. So I picked up $100 of Microsoft today on Publix. I should have that link also in the description below. That's where I'm gonna buy all my core stocks on Publix, because it's good to have different brokers for different things. Robinhood and Webull I'm using to swing trade, options trade, swing trade, whatever you want to call it. And then Publix, I am keeping all my core positions over there. But thank you guys for watching. Welcome to the 2022 journey that we're on. I am brand new to investing. I am not a financial advisor. I'll put out a video on why I started investing. It is pretty funny to me. It is hilarious to me. But I'll put out a short video on why I started investing, because it's pretty funny. I think it's pretty funny. All right, but thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll make some money. Hopefully these plays pan out. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just the plays that I'm looking at. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see y'all in the next one. All right, build that wealth, boys and girls. Peace.